Welcome to the Mayfield Renewables course on the National Electrical Code and the 2020 and 2023 requirements as it pertains to solar and solar plus storage systems. The solar plus storage market is an exciting growth opportunity. There's a lot changing in the industry right now, and so this is an important thing to understand and be able to put into practice and be able to go through and, as I say, as an inspector, be able to inspect these systems, understand what the systems are, as installers being able to make sure that we're putting in safe, effective systems. In this lesson, we are going to talk just overview on the different articles in the NEC that are applicable for our solar plus storage systems, and then we'll get into Article 690. We're going to now jump into Article 706, and 706 is titled Energy Storage Systems. So this is really the bulk of what we're going to be following when we're installing these systems. All right, let's move into Lesson 4. So that is Article 706, Part 2, and that's all about disconnecting means for our energy storage systems. We're going to move into Lesson 5 now. We're going to talk about some of these installation requirements, setting the stage for kind of what these requirements are, how we're going to apply the different code sections. So this is Part 4. So this will round out our talking about 706, getting into circuit requirements, and then we'll talk about we'll show some of those images where 706 applies for the different systems, kind of give you that visual representation. Now we're going to get into Lesson 7. We're going to get into the final few code articles that apply. And so we're going to focus in on 705 here first. So many of you, I'm sure, are familiar with 705. It's the interconnected electric power production sources. And we use this article all the time when we are interconnecting our PV systems. We're now ready to get into Lesson 8, and this is the Part 2 of Article 705, and then we'll look at those diagrams, kind of where 705 lands in terms of the reference to the rest of the systems and the other articles we've talked about earlier. So this is really going to be the last major lesson here. We'll do a conclusion at the end of all this. But Lesson 9 is we're going to get into Article 480 and Article 710. Okay, so let's go ahead and conclude the course here. Lesson 10, we'll just go through and talk about a few of the wrap-up points on ESS with the National Electrical Code.